Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 6, 2017, and today is Tuesday morning. So let's look at what's been going on in the economic events of the day. Earlier this morning, we had an Aussie cash rate that was at 6:30 South African time. So we'll see how that affected. But the rest of the day, we don't have much coming up. But as the week progresses, tomorrow we have crude oil, and then later in the week we have the general elections in the UK. So that's a big number coming up. So let's see what's been going on in the markets. We're going to start out here with the Euro USD as we normally do on a daily basis. We're trading at 112.70-ish level. We're just at this multi-level resistance, and we've been trying to go below it, as you can see here on a daily chart, but we haven't been able to break it down. It's just very resilient, and this might want to take even further. We might even go up to 113, 114-ish level. So that might be something that you want to look at as the week progresses. ECB President Draghi will be speaking later this week. They're going to have a press conference. So, you know, a lot of resilience in the euro. We haven't seen this in a very long time, almost 2 years since we've seen some sort of a resilience at this debacle sell-off from 138 down to 106. So we've been in the, in the trenches or in the dirt, however you'd like to call it, for quite a while. So, this might really be the point where we take this up. We're way above our 14 and 30-day averages, even 120-day averages. We keep on pushing it above, so we may see this 114 actually for a. Looking at the GBP USD, we're resilient here at 129, maybe setting it up into the elections on Thursday, but just keep this in mind as this week unfolds. There'll be some volatility here, and there'll be some some excitement. So, if you are trading, you might want to trade a little bit further, a little bit more conservatively, trade down as the week progressing. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, big sell-off we had, couldn't break this rally at 111, and then we just broke it further down. We broke this right here. We broke this 30-day average, and we haven't seen it come back. I mean, we haven't even hit the 30-day average even on the bounce, and boom, right below this 110 level. That's a major level for the USD Japanese yen. So this is something that might, continue downwards into this 108 level, but we've been trading, quite nicely with this. We had a nice rally before where we're very bullish, and then boom, right back. So this is like a V formation. Might see this 4.8 down to the 108 level. So let's look at how this progresses during the week. Now, we spoke about the Aussie USD, big rally. Okay, as you can see here this morning, we had just a very nice rally, some positive news after it being, being rallied from the 73 level up to 74.90-ish, 75-ish level. A little bit of a sell-off initially, but as you can see, we've had this really nice rally into 74.91. Let's see if we get to this resistance level at 75-ish level, okay, 75.04. But this is something I'd like to see how this rates throughout the day. Gold's been very strong, trading at 1287, continued its rally. It may continue its rally up until 1300. I mean, this was just such a great opportunity here as we sold off to 1221 here, and then rallying right back. So this is a beautiful V formation on the other way. Okay, so if we looked at the USD Japanese yen, we had a upside down V. Here we have a complete V, and that's interesting to note how these intermarket relationships actually trade. So let's see how that progresses throughout the week. Crude oil selling off after the jitters with Qatar and the Arab states, and just selling off. That was just the hype. It was the news. As you can see here, we traded up to $49 a barrel, and then we're right back down 47.15. So this is good for economy, keeping the oil down. It's been very good, and you see that there's an upsurge in the economy as a result. Looking at the JSC selling off quite sharply, as we spoke about earlier last week, and to continue in this week, and just selling off into this 46 level. Now, I believe that we're hitting a minor support level here at 46, 43. So I'd like to see how this actually rates. As you can see, it's been a sharp turn downwards, a big nosedive as the USD ZAR has been gotten stronger. Okay, that's usually what happens. ZAR gets stronger, the market gets weaker. So It's that type of relationship. In fact, I'm giving a webinar on this Thursday evening about the interrelationships between the markets. Make sure to sign up today. You can go to our website under the webinars and sign up to hear the whole topic about how we discuss intermarket relationship, how the different markets relate to each other. So right here, just as a side note, the USD is selling off nicely. 1272 hasn't been in this level for quite a while, and we may finally see it dip below this 12 level. Remember, this hit a high of 1685, so a big turnaround for the ZAR. Looking at the Dow Jones, we're still flirting close to our all-time highs, just above this 21,140-ish level. As you can see here, 21,000. I mean, we're nitpicking right here because 21,200-ish level is the all-time high. So we're about 70 points away from that. So it's a healthy retracement. Looking at the DAX, not retracing at all, continuing its move upwards. So I'd like to see some continuation here. Let's see if we do get that. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Thank you.